Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate mousse at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. Start by finely chopping 6 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa content, for the best flavor. Separate 2 large eggs, placing the whites in one bowl and yolks in another. Also, measure out 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, let's melt that chocolate. Place your chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Stir until it's smooth and fully melted, then remove it from the heat. In a separate bowl, whisk your 2 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of the sugar until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy. Gradually, and while whisking constantly, pour the warm melted chocolate into the egg yolk mixture to combine them smoothly. Next, we'll prepare the airy components. In a clean, chilled bowl, whip your 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. In another clean bowl, beat the 2 egg whites with the remaining 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Now, gently fold 1/3 of the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture, then carefully fold in the egg whites, followed by the rest of the whipped cream. Almost there, carefully spoon your beautiful chocolate mousse into individual serving dishes or a large bowl. Cover it loosely with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until it's perfectly set. Before serving, you can garnish it with some chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or fresh berries for an elegant touch. It's truly a delightful dessert. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.